Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a roundup of the best carpet cleaners of 2024. Whether it's for pet stains, spills, or just keeping your carpets looking fresh, these picks bring the power of professional cleaning into the comfort of your home. Let's see which models really bring out that like-new look and help make carpet cleaning as easy as it gets. First up, we have the BISSELL Little Green Proheat Portable Deep Cleaner. This compact powerhouse is designed for spot cleaning on both carpets and upholstery, making it an ideal choice for tackling smaller messes and keeping high-traffic areas fresh. It features a self-cleaning HydroRinse tool that makes cleaning the machine itself as easy as pressing a button. With its Proheat technology, this model warms the cleaning solution to loosen up tough stains, giving you a more effective clean on anything from pet stains to spilled coffee. And with its portable size and flexible hose, it's great for car detailing too. The BISSELL Little Green Proheat is perfect if you need a quick, efficient cleaner that won't take up too much space. Next on our list is the Hoover CleanSlate Portable Carpet Plus Upholstery Spot Cleaner. Known for its powerful suction, this compact cleaner is ready for anything, from tackling pet stains to detailing your car interior. It comes with a set of versatile tools, including a wide path tool for larger areas and a tight spot tool for getting into those tricky corners. Perfect for spot treatments, it pairs well with Hoover's carpet cleaning solutions to lift and remove deep-set stains on carpets and upholstery. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's designed for portability while still packing enough suction to make quick work of dirt and messes. The CleanSlate is a top pick for those who need a versatile mobile cleaner without sacrificing power. And then this Rug Doctor X3 commercial carpet cleaner is a beast of a machine, built to handle even the dirtiest carpets with ease. This cleaner features an exclusive vibrating brush that sprays, scrubs, and extracts deep-seated dirt in one go, making it ideal for high-traffic areas and tough stains. Paired with its 48 ounces Oxy cleaning solution, the X3 is designed to remove embedded dirt and grime while leaving your carpet fresh and vibrant. This model is sturdy, with a commercial-grade build, yet it's user-friendly for home use. The combination of powerful extraction and thorough scrubbing action ensures carpets look their best after each clean. If you're looking for an effective, no-nonsense cleaner for large spaces, the Rug Doctor X3 is a solid choice. Next, we have the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Compact Carpet Cleaner, a small but mighty solution for on-the-go cleaning and quick spot removal. Don't let its compact size fool you. This cleaner packs a punch with powerful suction and a range of versatile tools designed for tackling stains on carpets and upholstery alike. With its targeted pet stain removal feature, it's perfect for pet owners dealing with those surprise messes. The FD13000 model also doubles as a carpet shampooer, ensuring that spots are thoroughly cleaned, leaving your carpets fresh and stain-free. This lightweight machine is a breeze to handle, making it ideal for touch-ups around the house, in cars, or on furniture. Lastly, this Shark Carpet Cleaner Machine, portable upholstery stain striker in burgundy, is designed for those who need a compact yet powerful stain remover. Equipped with Shark's high-performance stain and odor-removing solutions, this machine can handle anything from pet hair on carpets to wine spills on couches. It comes with 2 different carpet cleaning solutions and 3 specialized tools, so you can seamlessly transition between carpets, area rugs, and upholstery. Perfect for pet owners, the Stain Striker offers a targeted clean that's gentle on fabrics yet tough on grime. Lightweight and easy to store, it's a must-have for any household wanting quick, reliable cleaning without breaking out the big equipment. And there you have it, our top picks for the best carpet cleaners of 2024. From versatile upholstery tools to powerful suction for deep cleaning, each of these picks brings something unique to the table. Let us know in the comments which one fits your needs best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of our top recommendations. Happy cleaning, everyone!